Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 41 with the diamond bezel, oyster bracelet, white Roman dial, and reference number 126300. It has a custom diamond dial or diamond bezel. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to go through each one of these things, the bezel, the dial, the bracelet, the case, the movement, and then I'm going to try it on and give you my thoughts. So as I stated at the beginning of this video, this is a Datejust 41, but it has an aftermarket diamond bezel. That's what's notable about it. Okay, so let's talk about the first thing, which is obviously the add-on. It's a custom diamond bezel, as you see here. I'm going to show you the original bezel. This is what it originally came on. So this is how it originally looked. It's a lot more plain, as you see. And we've taken off this bezel and put on this custom diamond bezel. Now, the carat size, not really important, but it's somewhere around 2 carats or so. And it has, I believe, also not that important, but the number of diamonds is approximately 52 or 48, something like that. I guess you guys could count it if you would like, but it doesn't really matter, because what matters is that these diamonds are the right size for the watch, as in it makes it look like factory. Now, this is not a factory bezel. We've added this factory bezel on ourselves on the behalf of a customer who wanted their Datejust to have a bezel, diamond bezel. And you could do that if you go to our website, jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com. But yes, it's an aftermarket bezel, and we can put it on. And I wanted to show you what a bezel actually looks like. So as I showed you earlier, this is the bezel to the stainless steel, and it has a gasket. This gasket right here is what sticks between the bezel and the crystal to keep it watertight, and it stays on with pressure. And of course we take this off, put on the bezel, which is using natural stones and high quality stones, and then after we put the bezel on, we make sure that the watch is watertight, and so that you see it's completely flush. It looks factory, it's not factory, but it looks factory, right? And then we make sure we watertight it, and this is the readout from that, okay? Alright, so anyhow, that's the bezel. Now I want to tell you about the dial. Now we can change the dial, or we can use any dial that you want, or at least that Rolex makes, for example, blue, black, silver, whatever, and we can add a diamond dial to it, or diamond bezel to it. At least at the time of this video, it's about $2,500 extra to add on this bezel. And you can see this watch at jazztime.com, JAZTIME. We can add this bezel to any watch that you want. It just so happens that this customer wanted it on white Roman, and he wanted it on oyster. You could have it on Jubilee or blue Roman or blue index or whatever. You can even change the dial if you like, okay? Now, let's just move on to the case. The case is a 41mm stainless steel case. From my thumb to my index finger is the largest that Rolex makes for men, okay? And let's talk about the movement. The movement is a 3235. This is the newer Datejust 41. It has a precision of ±2 seconds a day and a power reserve of 70 hours. The bracelet is a flat 3-piece link across, and it's an oyster bracelet. It also comes on Jubilee. For the clasp, it's a folding oyster clasp with an easy link 5mm comfort extension. You close it like I've just closed it there. As I stated earlier, I would try it on and give you my thoughts. So here it is on my wrist. I really like this watch. To me, adding this diamond bezel makes the watch look like it's going from a Datejust to a Day-Date, which is a $30,000 watch. It looks very similar, except of course this watch costs much less than that, and you can see the price by clicking on the link in the description below. But yes, what the benefits I like about this watch is that now you have a Datejust, which is kind of a plain Jane dress watch, but now you're adding diamonds to it. It makes it look like a $30,000 watch, even though it's not. It's still a Rolex. The only difference is that it has a custom bezel. So also it's in steel. One of the things I don't like about Presidents is that they're gold and they're very soft and they scratch, but that this one is in steel, so it's very scratch resistant and it looks pretty awesome. So you get it's a very high value because it looks like a very expensive watch. It is an expensive watch, it's just not $30,000 expensive, which is why I think this is a very good buy for the value. And if you like it in different colors or bracelet variations, we have them at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.